most people, a Toyota 4x4 is just a daily driver. But to us, it's a platform. Something we can push to its limits, break it, fix it, make it even stronger, and go even further. In this video, you'll see 3 different Toyota pickups, all with the same solid axle swap and with various engine swaps. Now, if you've been around the channel for a while, you're very familiar with my gray Toyota pickup and Corey's blue budget build. But joining us today is Skyler and his diesel swapped Toyota. And as we got deeper and deeper into the woods, it started to snow. Just look at the size of those snowflakes. And of course, after I struggled with this icy climb, Corey made it look easy in his truck. Now, you might have noticed a couple Dodges following us in the background of this video. They were obviously bypassing some of the hard obstacles we were taking, plus at this point the snow became too deep for them and they turned back.
Catch me with the greed in your world, keeping me captive, put locks on the doors. Did your best to scare me off, try to put to rest my voice, but to make me think I don't have much of the choice. Shoot me when I was down, play low tricks from behind, looking for new ways to take control of my mind.
Eventually we came across an obstacle that was a steep bank into a bunch of trees. So the best approach was to just take it slow and hope you don't get too many dents.
So fast, come about to in the ass, I know they want to Tears have fire in your eyes. People around you are dropping like flies. Become the king that is, burn up and strike in fear. And I know there is no fun if no one can hear. The dreams are looking vain, the riches disappear. You know the mind is dark, listening to tears. I'm gonna feel the warmth of the sun, hear the beat of the drums, feel the wind blowing on my face. I let the streets flip me around, put my ears to the ground, send some vibes straight up to the place. While you're racing around your golden cage, got the bicycle, the rage, getting close to the blue. But things are happening so fast, come on, let's see in the ass. I know you want to end up getting burned. Make it Tuesday night.
Anyways, guys, if you like this stuff, please remember to like and subscribe. And we're gonna finish off this video by watching the Dodges get pulled around a little bit.
We are 5 minutes in, and they are already stopped.
The sound, hear the beat of the drums, feel the wind blowing on my face.
To be fair, this Dakota did break and lose four-wheel drive shortly before they turned around.
To your place.
And that's it. See you next week. Peace.